The difficult part of the agent was not implementing the agent. It was thinking about the agent. How do I break down the process into tools? And I think that's what a lot of developers are going to be faced with when they meet their managers or their leadership team telling them to build Gen AI application is, what existing processes do you have and what can be agentified? Because not everything needs to be agentified. Humans still need to remain in the loop. There's some workflows where humans are required to be able to get the best outcomes, and there's some you can't just replace with agents. So as a developer, you have to be able to identify these things, think about these things before you start writing lines of code. I was able to do this because I had some time to think, but also talking with very intelligent people in MongoDB. We have these conversations on a day-to-day basis. We're playing around, experimenting with code, and we're talking to customers. I have several customer calls. I'm hearing what they're doing and what problems they're facing or their processes, and we're hyper-focused on enabling them with both technology and knowledge to be able to be successful.
You start with the customer. What are they telling you in the agent space that they want, that's missing, or that's the promise of AI agents?
Yeah, so we'll take it a bit further back in what the customers currently are saying is, firstly, how do I identify use cases that I can apply agents to? That's the first thing, right?
Right.
If essentially agents they're tools, right? But where can you apply this agent capabilities to? So the first thing is, when we're talking to customers, is identifying the processes that, or what I tell customers is, you look at your manual processes, right? Or the processes within your day to day. You essentially, what you want to do is just lay them out, understand the process and the humans that are involved or the systems that are involved. And step by step, you want to be taking this out and automating them with agents. Now, the key thing about agents is you can start taking each of these processes once you've laid them out and turning them into tools that the agents can use. So if you understand your process very well, you'll be able to
Mhm.
understand how to formulate a tool definition that allows an agent to essentially replicate your workflow.